Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a entryway, quick and easy, affordable DIY. This is a sophisticated ladies clothes collaboration. We are to create a Christmas themed DIY. So my DIY will be just a simple, easy entryway styling. All of my items are affordable. All of my items came from Dollar Tree, the Goodwill, and some items that I am reusing from other things. And I will briefly share with you my items. Now, I don't know if I will be using all of these, but I have some pretty beautiful poinsettias that I purchased from the Goodwill. That I purchased from the Dollar Tree. They're so beautiful and pretty. And I also have a gold poinsettia. And then I have some willows. They're so pretty and shimmery with the slight snow effect. Come from the Dollar Tree. And I have some wired garland. It's a Dollar Tree item. Now, all of these items, except this right here, and I purchased these a month ago. Now, everything else I have, I've already had in my home. Due to our pandemic, I will not be going out purchasing anything for the up and coming holidays. Here in Ohio, I believe we're going to be in the beginning stages of another shutdown. So with that being said, I am definitely will be using all items from home. This right here is like a frosted set. Now you see it says Big Lots, but I purchased this from the Goodwill last year. I also will be using 2 of my Hobby Lobby placemats to lay on my credenza. I have some floral foam, and as you can tell, I've already used it before. I have some Crafter's Wood dowels, my glue gun. This is a tray. It had a dessert on it. I tend to keep trays like this and put them to the side, either for displaying food or a DIY. And I also have some Christmas ornaments, and they were a Walmart. They are from Walmart. If you can tell, I got them from the Goodwill. And one more thing, I will be using this reindeer from the Dollar Tree. So, if you are any bit interested in seeing what I will create, please keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to become a family member, so hit that subscribe button and hit your bell 2 times. That will turn on your notifications so that you will receive all my uploaded videos. So with that being said, let's get into this DIY. here is the final look. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I know I had fun creating this beautiful entryway centerpiece. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please check out the playlist. Be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.